Good morning, Tube. It's a new year, a new season for Big Al's Barber Vlogs, and welcome back to another daily edition. Today is the first day of season 2. Season 2, guys.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to it.
So today is January 3rd. Calling it a second season, guys, because I've been doing this already for almost a year. I think I started vlogging and really got into my YouTube channel probably like the second week of January last year. So I'm starting this new year off as season 2 to try to separate my years over all the videos that I'm going to be making over the future and stuff like that. I think it's just a good, easy way for me to categorize it, and I'm just going to go by year. So I'm going to call this season 2. So today's number 1. How did my New Year's go? My New Year's went good. I just relaxed right here at the house. Pretty much it was just me and my brother Rob. My brother Ron came by a little bit, but it was mostly me and my brother Rob, my lady. Her mom came by. My sister-in-law. We just kind of relaxed and had some beers and, you know, hung out till New Year's. We had a little bonfire going in the backyard, but shit, it was windy as hell right here in the LA Basin. Never been that windy on New Year's Eve. It was windy to the point where it got cold and it was hard to be outside, but you know, we hung in there. So the new year was cool. On January 1st, we went to the movies, saw the movie Bohemian Rhapsody. That's the Queen movie. Pretty awesome movie. Yesterday, me and my girl did a mission. We transferred her storage to a shed that they had built in the backyard. So that was a mission all day long. So today's the first day back to work, guys. I'm headed to the shop right now. Got no appointments. I don't know. There's 4 of us working. I don't know how busy it's gonna be. I don't expect it to be too busy because it is the first day back. But I'm sure we'll get something going, and it'll be a start to a great new year. Yesterday was the first day of our new prices. We went up $2 at my shop. So now the prices at my shop now are regular haircut. Any type of regular haircut is $20. Fades, tapers, comb overs, we charge $22. If they want an appointment, it's an $8 additional fee. So if they're getting a fade and it's coming in for an appointment, it comes out to $30, which is kind of where I want to be at. So it works out good. You know, it's a convenience fee, and the people that appreciate it, they'll just pay it. They're not gonna worry about that $8 fee. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna get started. Go to the shop. Try to get some haircuts in. It's a new year. I want to hear about what you guys are trying to get started this year, guys. What's your goals? I shared with you guys my goals as far as the barbershop. You know, I want to go stronger, keep building up, get better services in there. I want to do some things to the shop. I want to get new boxes. I want to trade out my stations and put boxes in there, toolboxes. That's a little money goal. I want to put a new window dressing in the front. I want to, you know, put our logo out there and also put the logo on my trailer so that when I drive my trailer around town or anywhere that I go, I'm getting advertisement from my shop. So those are some of my business short-term goals for this year right there. So at the same time, just building up my clientele, keep posting videos, and definitely go harder on my YouTube channel. You know, I'm all in on this. So we got to keep going strong. Got to go harder on it. So I got other things coming up. I got a bunch of tutorials lined up. I got some new reviews on the Gold FX that's going to be coming out pretty soon. I've been working on that. So, you know, I'm just getting all my ducks together so that I can present them to you guys. And, you know, and my biggest goal for this year for my YouTube channel is, you know, right now I'm at 700. I'm almost at 700 subscribers. I want to hit 2,000 by next year at this time. So we'll see what I can do. Maybe I'll knock out one of those videos that goes viral. I don't know. But, you know, we'll see how it goes. Everything's going good so far, and it's a start to a good year. I'm going to get myself a donut. Oh, yeah. The thing that's not going good is my diet. So far, there has been no diet. My New Year's resolution of being on a diet hasn't really worked out so far. So I'm going to work on that, too. All right, guys, grind on.
cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, then it's by fourth. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. He's not the one, babe. Oh, you got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate. He's not the one, babe.
So I'm headed back to the shop now. Kids aren't even back to school yet. Kids start school next right here in our neighborhood. The kids don't start school till next Monday. So you know, this weekend's probably going to be a little bit busy because I expect kids getting back to school. Parents are going to be getting them back into whipping them back into order from having 2 weeks off. So a lot of kids will be coming through. I know we will be busy, but so I'm gonna head back to the shop. Finish this day off strong. I already recorded one haircut for you guys. I'm trying to put up another one, see what we can do. I'm trying to do the haircuts with the Gold FX because I'm preparing to do my review on it. I think you guys are gonna like what I have to say because a lot of people have been asking me because they've been noticing on my videos that I fade with all three machines. The cordless Wahl with the 1919 and with the Gold FX. And everybody's asking me which one's my favorite. Should they buy the Gold FX if they already have the 19? Should they buy the Gold FX if they already have the Wahl? So, you know, there it is. So I'll be finishing up that review pretty soon, pretty quickly. Probably, I'm going to give it another week. Probably next week I'm going to do it. So there's some big things coming up this month. This month is competition month for me. Every year I do, I mentioned to you guys, and somebody asked me about it because I said I was gonna go battle. But every year at this time, at the end of the month, we do the ICE Beauty and Health Expo that they have here in Los Angeles. It's at the Long Beach Convention Center. They do courses for barbers also, so they have a barber competition on Monday, the 28th, and I've been competing in it for the last 3 years, so I'm going back again this year. Going with a different mindset this year. I'm going to take it more serious. So I'm going back. Just last night, I filled out my paperwork, signed up, paid my money, so I'm in for sure. The two competitions I'm going to be competing in is I'm going to be doing the fast fade, which I'm pretty good at. I haven't done nothing the last 2 years on it, but the first year I took first place, so I'm pretty fast. So this year I'm gonna mix it up. I'm not gonna go for the speed. What I'm gonna do this year is go for the whole 15 minutes and do the best haircut that I can. So I'm using a little bit of a different strategy, and I'm actually gonna do a comb over. So I'm gonna do a comb over in 15 minutes. It's on one of my customers. It's a regular of mine that I always do him, and I always think that his haircut comes out pretty clean. And you guys have seen several videos of him. He's been in a lot of my videos, and I'm gonna use him for the fast fade. And then the other one I'm gonna do is the best fade and beard, and that's gonna be on another one of my customers who's a youngster. He's only I think he's only like 20 years old. So, but he grows out a nice little beard, and I've seen him several times in my videos also. So I'm taking two different younger, good-looking youngster guys this year. I'm not gonna go with with what I have available. I'm actually gonna take somebody that I'm gonna try to do good on this one, guys. I'm gonna try to do really good. And this time I'm not gonna get all buzzed before I battle, because usually I have a couple beers before that to calm the nerves. But sometimes it throws me off too. So this year I'm gonna take it a little bit more serious. So I'm here. I'm getting to the shop now. Finish this day off strong. I'll do my outro, and then we'll finish this vlog number 1 for 2019, guys. Today I had an opportunity to really film some good footage, and I kind of slipped up. I just didn't pull the trigger, you know. And that's one of the things I got to work on this year. Just trying to get my channel. Not so much with just me. I want to involve everybody else in here. Not one of the people that want to be involved. You know, like my barbers and involving other people so that you guys can see the other side of everything. That's what this is all about. This season 2. You know what I mean? The season 2. I want to make my channel that much better. You know, I think I grew a lot. I 700, almost 700 subscribers. I want to take it to a different level. And today I had an opportunity and I should have went with it, and I didn't, and I think I dropped the ball. The situation I'm talking about is my uncle came in today, and even before he got here, I thought about it. I go like, I should try to do a little interview with him while I'm cutting his hair, and you know, ask him a couple questions, some interesting questions that you guys would have liked. My uncle's 82 years old, and he's already retired. He's a barber, long life barber, just the same as I am going to be, and same as my grandfather, his father was. My dad was a barber also. But I should ask him some questions, and I kind of froze up. I wanted to ask him. It wasn't like it was busy, but I should have just took him out of the situation. I did, and that's kind of my. That's kind of my thing with the barber, with the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel, I'm kind of like, you know, I need to be involved. I need to involve everybody else in here. And I think if I do that, I think my channel could take off even better, because there's so much things going on in here that I know that you guys can benefit from. Some of the situations, information, some of the people, some of the barbers that I work for me. They're really good barbers. I have, you know, the guy that works right next to me, Fido, he's a badass barber. Super bad. Probably better than me. You know what I mean? I wouldn't doubt it. He's good. He's really, really good. But I don't involve him as much. Sometimes I don't want to involve my guys because I think that maybe I'm interfering with their thing or whatever they want to do. And some people just don't want to be on camera. Some people don't care about YouTube. Some people don't care less what I'm doing here. So those are the people that I don't want to interfere with. But at the same time, today I should have done it, and I didn't. But I'm going to get that interview for you guys. I'm going to do that with my uncle. I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to do that with you because he's a very, very interesting guy, and he has some good stories. When I first started working for him, he was a guy that gave me my first job. And you know, he told me, when you get your barber's license, hit me up, and I'll give you your first job. And I did. And I remember the day I got past my license. I called him up. I go, hey, uncle, I got my license. He's all right. Well, come tomorrow. Tomorrow, you start tomorrow. So that's a whole different story, but it's a great story, and he's a great guy. He's my mentor. Plus, you know, he's the last connection to my father, and you know, I love the guy. He's a great guy. But today was interesting. Remember, I told you guys I didn't expect to be too busy. Well, I ended up picking up. You know, that's how it is here. You know, we rarely get not busy, so it ended up being a good day for all of us, and. You know, that's what it's all about in the barber business. You know, you just got to be here, show up, show up and be here for your customers. Throw stuff out there, you know, educate yourself, put yourself out there on social media. You have to put yourself out on social media, because if you don't put yourself out on social media, guess what? Nobody's going to know who you are. Plain and simple. And that's what it comes down to. You have to throw yourself out there on social media. But today was a very interesting day. It ended up being a good day. You know, it's already, I ended up having to stay and do my cleaning today because I hadn't cleaned the last 2 Mondays, because the last 2 Mondays were Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, so the floor was just straight a mess. And if you guys that work in barbershops, you guys know, you know what I mean? You owners that do the mopping, or me, like, I'm just not just the owner, guys. I'm the janitor. I'm the, you know, I'm the accountant. I'm everything here. So when that stuff needs to get done, I'm the one that has to turn myself and do it. But that's it for today, guys. It's the beginning of a new season 2 for me. Year 2 of doing vlogs and being here on YouTube. So I'm calling it season 2. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Hey guys, there's one thing I want to I don't even know if you guys are going to be here for the end of this video, because I had very selected few that I think watched the whole entire video. But guys, this year I want to emphasize on, please click like on my video. If you like this video, click like. If you're watching my videos, I need you guys to subscribe. I need you to get my algorithms up So by doing that, I need you guys to participate a little bit more. So please smash the like button if you guys like, smash up like the thumbs up if you guys like this video, and make sure you subscribe, click the little bell button so that you guys get a notification every time I make a video. I'm gonna be busting out these things all year long, guys. I ain't going nowhere. So with that being said, I'll see you guys mañana.